Hey guys, if you're interested in using gradecam and you're struggling to get this thing set up, so here's in essence what you have to do. Just open up gradecam. It's going to open up a setup wizard that looks something like this that you're looking at right now, and you'll just click next. You'll type in your name and the name that you want to go by on your reports and things like that, and you'll click next, and you'll get to this registered gradecam screen. Here, what you want to make sure you do is you got to fill out all of these different fields, and then the registration number, you can go ahead and just use this registration number right here. Plug that in, and what's going to happen then is when you click next, it says it's trying to go through the registration process. This is going to take about 20 seconds, something like that, and then it's going to return an error for you, and that's okay. It's still going to work even though it returns an error, and that process is the same process you're going to have to go through every single time you open it. You're going to have to go through this error process, but that's okay. And you can see the error here. Can't detect the proxy server. That's okay. Go ahead and click next anyways. You'll get this. Don't do anything with this. Click next, and then finish. And it'll open up gradecam for you. And here you go. And so you can see everything in here. You might have to readjust your camera to get that to work right. I think you can find that under Tools, under Preferences. There's the camera, and you can select which camera you need and flip the camera image if it's upside down and all that kind of stuff. Okay. Once you do that, though, it requires that you restart it. That's going to take you back through that same process. What you'll find is all your information will stay in there, so you don't have to retype it all. But you're going to have to go through that little error message process again. To import your assignments, or what I should say, to import your test banks from before, number one, hopefully you've already exported them at the end of last year, so you have them all in a gradecam file somewhere. But what you need to do in that case is you need to go to Tools, Import your gradecam file. It'll walk you through some things to browse for the file that you need to go get. I actually, for myself, in my own directory, I made a gradecam folder. You can see that. Let me find it for you. You can see it right here. Gradecam, I go in here. Here's my backups from 2016. I'll open that up, and it'll suck all of my test banks in from last year, and so all of my tests and things will be back. And so, once again, you have to do this registration process once, where you actually type it all in. Then you can actually just, you have to go through that process every time, but you won't have to type all your information, and it'll work for you. All your data will continue to be saved. You won't have to re-import your test banks and all that stuff. It's all there for you. But it's just the process we got to go through now, but it'll work for you. So there you go.